In Smartsheet, the Sheet Summary feature allows you to gather and visualize key information from your sheet in a concise and organized manner. Here's how to use it effectively. Enable Sheet Summary. Open the sheet you want to create a summary for and click on the Summary tab at the bottom left corner of the screen. If the Summary tab isn't visible, you may need to enable it from the Sheet menu. Add Summary Fields. Within the Summary tab, you can add summary fields to display specific information from your sheet. Click on the plus icon to add a new summary field and choose the type of summary you want to display, such as count, sum, average, or minimum or maximum. Customize summary options. Customize each summary field to display the information you need. You can specify the range of rows or columns to include in the summary, filter data based on criteria, and rename summary fields for clarity. View Summary. Once you've added and customized your summary fields, the sheet summary will dynamically update to reflect the data in your sheet. You can switch between different views, such as grid view or chart view, to visualize the summary data in various formats. Share Summary. Share the sheet summary with stakeholders by providing them access to the sheet or exporting the summary as a PDF or image to include in reports or presentations.